Hey guys, welcome to Jason Backcountry Snowmobiling. In this episode, we're going to show you how to start a Polaris that will not start no matter how many times you pull it over. Hey, I got a question for you. Stick around to the end and I'll ask you, and then put your answer in the comments below. So if you're having trouble starting your sled like we were today, like pulling over 100 times, just won't go, this is the thing that worked for us 3 times today. There's this connector here, this flat one. Just disconnect this one. Then you're going to start your sled. You're going to pull it over. This disconnects the fuel pump. Pull it over a bunch of times. It should fire up. Once it fires up, shut it down, reconnect it, and you should be good to go. This could save you a lot of trouble, maybe even getting towed out. We were thinking about how we're going to tow this sled out today. Somebody recommended that on the video. I'll tag you in the video later. Thanks, bud. That saved our day. We had to do this 2 different times. Same thing happened. We're hard on the throttle going up a hill, sled just completely dies. This sled will be going back to the dealership, figuring out what's exactly wrong. We figure maybe it's fuel pump. All right, so thanks for sticking around. I have that question for you. Have you had the same issue with your sled? Go to start it, won't start? Put your answer in the questions below. Let us know what you did to fix the issue. So not bad for Colin's first ride out today. Kind of slow. That was not slow. Lots of sled issues. Yeah. Do us a favor, hit that like button, subscribe. Share this video with your buddies that have 2022 or 2023. Share this video. 2022. Yeah, 2022. That's a hard one to say. Share this video with your buddies that have 22 or 23 Polaris 850s so that they can know what to do in case this happens to them. One more question for you. What video is playing down here in the cards below? I'm curious, YouTube suggests the best video for you. What's the best video it's suggesting for you? Answer that for me too. We also had the brake go soft and spongy midway through the ride, just as we were trying to come back down the hill when we needed the brake most.